let's make a wreath with some beautiful natural green and navy blue ribbon. It came in our resupply box this month with a super cute little birdhouse wooden sign. So we'll have 18 and roll them both of them at the same time. And I'm doing 25 inches. 25 inches. So I get two boxes. And the extras this month were way more than when you buy two boxes, typically you get extra stuff. And this month was, I think we got extra ficus, an extra roll of each of the ribbons. And what else? An extra sign. If you had, that's what I got. I don't know if they're all the same or not. Is the pancake petite the smaller frame? Yes. Well, yes, it's the 10 inch. That's what I build the pancake petite on, the 10 inch frame. And it's still 24 inches, so it's not, I mean, it's petite. I call it petite because it's on the 10 inch frame, but it's not really petite. This has been a slow month for me in the boutique. Actually, the boutique as a whole has been slow, which is crazy because one year I sold more Valentine designs than Christmas. Like, it was nuts. And this is not the same. So we're going to focus. Actually, this box came in perfect time. We're going to focus on everyday stuff over there. Yeah, petite ends up being about 24 inches. Yep. It's perfect. This mesh is super cool. This one doesn't have the blue in it, but the other one has like the green in it. It's really nice. And the border for the petite wreaths is going to be perfect. All right, we are going to I added the ribbons from the box. And normally I don't do this, but I'm stingy, especially with it being 18 twist ties. So I am doing two different styles. I took the burlap ribbon, and that's in every one. It's on the bottom though, because I wanted to see the other ribbons more. When using 3 colors, it doesn't work. Ooh, okay, thank you. So I put the green ribbon on top of the blue mesh and the hydrangea ribbon on top of the green. We'll just do that flip-flop all the way around. Ribbons are 14 inches and the mesh was 25 inches. The mesh was 25 inches. I do the outer layer first and then the inside, just a habit. First layer. This mesh is so nice. Which mesh I use? I'm using both of the mesh rolls that came in the February supply box. They were custom. All right, now we're going to go back in and add our resupplybox.com is where you can go to sign up and get all the details and the information. This is so pretty. All right, so definitely not a pancake. Nice and easy. We're going to make a great big giant bow with another one of the ribbons that were in the box that I haven't used yet, and And another one. So pretty. Thank you very much, Kenitha. So I hope that a lot of you who joined the workshop joined us over in design school. We're live 6 days a week over there. Lots of details. Let's do that. We got 3 signs. 3 signs in the box. And so I'm trying to make sure I can conserve to use ribbon because I only have, well, I get 2 boxes, so I have 2 of each roll. But it looks like I'm going to use a whole roll of this. I'm going to go with this next, and that, and then that. This ribbon is so yummy. I love it. The colors are just perfection. Super pretty. It's the middle of the day. Hopefully I'll be doing lunchtime lives soon. I'm gonna do this one next. It's got a little darker with that tone underneath. It's not so bright on the top. Lots of details. I love, love, love how my wreath turned out in the workshop. Love it so much. I made 300 burlap flowers. Holy moly. Wait, I knew this for my daughter's wedding years ago. Oh, maybe you must have said that earlier before, Tina, because I remember that burlap flowers thing. So much fun. Yeah, so many hours. No, I'll do 3. No, do 4. Hey, Carolyn. Hi, love. Aw. I launched my Etsy shop and Facebook page over the... Awesome, Ramona. That's fantastic. Good for you. That is fantastic. That will start to alleviate a lot of overwhelm, and getting it done is just the important part, getting it done. 2, 2. I'm just gonna go with black. "25 inches in the mesh length and 14 inches on the twin tails." I love the natural on the top. That's pretty. And then if you just touch them like that, give them a nice little tap on their heads. Nice little tap, tap. Little tap, tap. And then we're going to add our sign in kind of right up here. I'm going to go right at the top and right at the bottom. And then I'm just going to add a little bit extra. This is just the back of a ribbon spool. Now don't forget, in design school you do have an overhead view and lots and lots and lots of instructions. Taking our wire just because it's easiest for me to attach. I'm just going straight through the mesh to keep it in place here. Straight through the mesh to keep it in place. Love, love, love. And then, just absolutely darling. Just absolutely darling. And big, by the way. Much bigger than our pancake. For sure. Make sure you have your resupply box. You can go to resupplybox.com. Look how cute and simple. Really pretty. Glad I put that blue on the second layer instead of the first layer. Really cute. Not too crazy thick. That bow brings it out a little bit. Not too crazy thick. Right? And the back is nice and clean. Love, love, love. Simple. Again, this was made from everything except for the stripe ribbon. Everything was from the January supply box. I love this. You can also always follow me. I love teaching and coaching. Can't wait to see you again. Bye, y'all.